Continue. Olive oil ner Yafah. The Gemara writes that ideal fuel for an Hadlakas Neiros is the oil, preferably olive oil, because olive oil produces a ner Yafah, lovely flame. Okay. That is sturdy and does not flicker. I mean, the candles, if you buy good, like kosher, good quality candles, so they also do not flicker. Maybe sometimes, I don't know. But candles, the olive oil, if you have right olive oil, so it also burns very nicely, and very long. Okay. One time, at one time, other materials such as wax and other lesser quality did not produce the reliable flames. So today our candles produce a strong, sturdy flame, exactly, and therefore many women do not light with oil. Others are particular to light with oil, since it was the original preferred way to do the mitzvah. So I mean, in my house we do mixture. We have two main candles with oils, and the rest with candles. So that does not matter. I mean, at least two. So you want to light more than two, you're welcome. It's actually very, very simple. Somebody just asked me recently, like about these candles. So actually, you can buy almost any olive oil. So you don't have to buy this oil from Judaica. I mean, I'm not sure what is so special about oil, but it costs like for a small bottle you can buy a gallon in a Walmart or different stores, right? It's you just have to find the right brand that is going to give the good light. That's it. So, but it does not have to be even kosher. But usually when we buy everything kosher, even this oil that we're going to use for candles. Okay, so it does not have to be expensive oil. I think maybe one time we put some expensive oil, olive oil, just to try. It did not work so well. Just any like simple oil, olive oil works very well. Or some people use what is it used? That flower seeds oil. Okay. Because in their countries, wherever they live, the sunflower seeds oil is much more expensive than olive oil. Olive oil it's very expensive for them, so I mean there is no problem. And they said it's burned very well. Okay, I did not try. For us, this sunflower seeds oil costs like double, sometimes more compared to olive oil. So. And in the olden days, that's what they use. They use olive oil, not any other oil.